In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your debit card zip code. So essentially, there's two different postcodes that are associated with your debit card account. Now, the first postcode is the postcode that you would have used to register that bank account. Now, this postcode can be found on any bank statement. So here's an example here. You can see right at the top of this bank statement, we can see the postcode, and that's the postcode that you'll need to use when making payments on your account. So if you have online banking, you can also check your bank statements there, and you'll be able to retrieve this postcode. Now, the second postcode that's also associated with your account is the postcode or the zip code of the actual bank itself. So, for example, if you have a nationwide bank account, then you could type in something like nationwide and then type in where you live. So, for example, London, and then I can type in branch address and hit enter. And then what you can do here is just find the bank that's closest to your address. And then if I click on directions in this Google listing, you can see right at the end of this address, we're going to be able to retrieve the bank postcode. Now, sometimes you'll also be asked for this zip code as well, so it really depends on why you need this banking postcode. So most of the time, it's going to be your own personal address, but sometimes it could be the bank branch as well. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.